How to use Polarsteps for beginners. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up Play Store, tap on the search bar and search for Polarsteps. Now click on install. Now tap on open. Now choose your account. Now from this page, click on add trip. Now choose the trip you want to go on. Now click on continue. Now search for destination. Now click on continue. Now name your trip. Click on create trip. Now tap on OK. You can add a short summary or anything or any other important tips. You can add also you can also add travel bodies and click on create trip. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or such topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.